Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about dependency injection. Here you can see the agenda for this session. In this session, we are going to see about loosely coupled and tightly coupled architecture. Then what is dependency injection and necessary for dependency injection. Then we are going to see real-time use case for dependency injection, and we are going to explain dependency injection with sample project. Okay. First, what is dependency injection? Dependency injection is a way of approach to develop loosely coupled softwares. While talking about loosely coupled, we need to talk about tightly coupled also. What is tightly coupled architecture? If one component of the software application depends on another component, then it is tightly coupled architecture. So, when changing one component, it impacts another component also. So, it will be the major impact in our software development. So, we need to avoid that. First, we can see what is tightly coupled architecture. So, this is the sample project we learned in last session. Here we have repositories. We have the employee repository. In the same way, assume we have one more repository. That is other resource, other data source. In our previous repository, that is employee repository, we are taking data from SQL Server. But assume in this repository, we are going to take the data from some other data source. It may be anything, Excel or MS Access, else it may be Oracle or DB2, anything. That's a deal. Let's open repository. Is copy and paste all methods here also. Copy paste that, and we are not going to implement each and every method. Simply we are going to show not implemented exception. For, for better understanding, we are going to implement only one method, set all employees. Here we need to return list of employees. So I will return new list of employees, employee. We can provide some dummy data. Let's duplicate this one. It has ideas to first one. we have two hard-coded employees. Let's assume this repository provides the data from our Oracle database. You assume like that, but instead of connecting with the Oracle, we are returning some hard-coded values. Now we are going to see what is tightly coupled architecture. Let's assume we are going to call this other data source from our controller. So controller is employee controller. What we have to do so that we can build this solution. Here we have index page. Instead of calling our repository, we are going to make this another class. So we need to create object or a class, that is other data source. Get all employees. Let's run the application. Click on employee management. Instead of it returning from our database, it returning from our new repository. Good. This is, I am saying this is tightly coupled architecture. Why? Because I am creating instance for that class. If I need to assume we are calling this same repository from all over the method in this controller. Also, we have 100 or 1000 controller methods. Then we are going to create an object for this class. So whenever our requirement changes, we need to use another repository. See another repository true or existing repository, employee repository, or we are going to add one more repository. If we need to change the repository, customer told that no, we need to use this repository like that. Then we need to make the changes in all over the controller. Assume this is sample application. We have only one controller. If it is a large scale application, then we definitely have 100 or 500 controllers and 1000 or 10,000 action methods. Then we need to make our changes in each and every method. It is tightly coupled. Now you better understand what is tightly coupled. Then we need to avoid this coupling so that we can implement loosely coupled architecture. For the loosely coupled architecture, we have several methods. We can use any one of the design patterns. But in this lesson, we are going to see how to use dependency injection to achieve our loosely coupled architecture. So what we have to do, go to our repository, let's pivot this code. So pivot to this original position is calling from repository. Let's run the application. Click on employee management. Now it takes data from our SQL database using our repository class. So let's open our repository class. This employee repository, it inherits iEmployee. So we use it. So in the same way, we can inherit iEmployee in our new repository also. Yeah. Then we can go to our program.cs in our MVC application. So program.cs. Here we register our service as a dependency, right? So here we told that whenever this iEmployee interface is called, we need to serve this employee repository. But now our requirement changed. We need to use other data resource. So I can provide this repository class to program.cs. Go back to program.cs. So we need to tell whenever the employee interface is called, definitely we need to provide this repository class. Like that we need to tell. So whenever going to employee controller, inside the employee controller, we are injecting our employee interface inside constructor. So whenever injecting this, for dependency framework interface, we need to have this plus this other data source. Okay, let's run the application. Yeah, now it takes the data from our new repository. Whenever customer again go back, they told that no, we need to get the data from that repository only. Then we can revert that like this, and then the application with employee management. Now it takes data from our employee repository. So while we used tightly coupled architecture, we need to make the changes in each and every controller method. We have 1000 or 10,000 control method. It is tedious process. So that should be a man hours effort needed. So customer not want this approach. So we, if we implement our dependency injection approach, definitely only one enough changes required. If customer told that instead of this repository, use that repository, then you can change in this line only. Then again, customer told that instead of this repository, please use this repository. And we can replace that. But only one condition is both each and every repository should implement the same interface. Then only we can use it. So now we learn how to implement dependency injection. Then what is loosely coupled and tightly coupled architecture. Thanks for watching.